Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing everything within reach so you don't shift the cast mid-task. Place a waterproof pad and a towel under the child, keeping the cast supported. Open a fresh diaper and fold it into a narrow triangle. This lets you slide it under the cast without levering or twisting. Once done, use one hand to steady the pelvis and cast, and the other to gently lift the hips just enough to slide the folded diaper into place. Small motions prevent pressure points. You remove the soiled diaper by loosening fasteners and sliding it out toward the cast opening to avoid catching edges. Cleanse front to back with gentle wipes, supporting the pelvis so the cast doesn't bear weight. Pat skin thoroughly. Moisture trapped against a cast causes irritation. Apply a thin layer of barrier cream to the perineal creases to protect skin, making sure not to smear cream onto the cast interior where it can cake. You finish by tucking and securing the clean diaper so the tabs fasten without catching the cast edges. If needed, place small rolled towels to cushion gaps. Smooth all diaper edges and check that nothing pinches the skin. Make small adjustments rather than forceful repositioning. Inspect the perineal skin and visible cast edges for redness, raw spots, or drainage. Note any odors or unusual wetness. If you see persistent redness, swelling, or soaking beyond the diaper, contact the care team. This is your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.